The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is equipped with a 720p high-definition camera and an 80-degree field-of-view wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture stunning moments in real time. This drone features advanced functions like voice control and gesture selfies, making it an incredibly intelligent device that offers a unique flying experience. With the ability to perform impressive 360-degree flips and follow custom flight paths, the DEERC D20 adds an element of fun and excitement to your flights. Designed with beginners and kids in mind, this drone is easy to operate with modes like headless mode, one-key start, and altitude hold, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable flight. The DEERC D20 is designed to be both delicate and safe, featuring emergency stop, low-power alarm, and propeller guards to protect both the drone and the pilot. 2 modular batteries provide up to 20 minutes of flight time, ensuring that you have plenty of time to enjoy your drone without frequent recharges.